Oh. Okay then.
We're going to go this way then, I'm guessing.
Oh, it sounds like everyone was full of the crowd. That's the in thing. So how long have you been doing this? Yeah, I think 10 months. Yeah, no, I heard that one. Yeah, no, pretty good. I'm surprised you're not on the move because... Well, yeah, but I did. Yeah. Yeah, but... Well, if Andy and I run the event, yeah, and then you've got Andy and Justin and others who shot, the main thing for us is just like, especially for me, because this brings the money to
Dom! There. Right. Yeah. Just like the other side of that holly bushes. I don't know if that's red or what. Moving up, straight up there. I can see it here. Straight. Yeah, over there, over there. Still behind the thing over there, just like straight ahead.
Yeah. That's like behind the holly bush now.
There.
Tag,
Yeah! What? Whoa. Have we? Oh, I thought it was just tag rations. Have we all got to go back?
Yeah.
Oh.
Nice one, lads. I'm sorry that I didn't see him. Oh yeah. Nice one.
That's pretty good, isn't it?
Just see you starting on it. Oh, I hate it when people shoot at me. Physical fear of being hit by something white. No, that was good. You thought then, mate. If that's the case, you got the wrong hobby. I like it's him coming, and he's just sort of sitting there like, oh, fuck. I've got a really good flinch reflex. It's not fucking quick enough. What motor is this? That's a JG. One, yeah. That's the one I bought quite quickly. With the stock? No, I bought the stock afterwards.
That's probably one of the closest engagements I've ever had.
Really?
The guy behind the holly bush was literally 10 metres away.
You had some good ones.
There's a person up there I can see from here.
Yeah, that was some good fighting. I just seen George coming, and I was like, oh, I'm pretty sure I got Barry though when he spawned you. Yeah, me and him both got confused. I thought it was just on off. Yeah. You got him just after he got me. Yeah. But I got it. I know I got it. That was blue. That was the game ended anyway. Yeah, that was blue. Well, when I